In the last problem on our review, we were going to graph that function on decimals, and we're going to locate and name the ordered pairs to the nearest tenth of the following, the zeros of the function. So I went ahead and I graphed this to speed this whole process up. But if we want the zeros of the function to the nearest tenth, we want to figure out where across the x-axis. So I'm rounding this off. It's going to be negative 1.9 comma 0. That's one of the zeros. There's also another 0. If we round this off, it's going to be a 0.9 comma 0. That's our zeros of the function. Relative minimums. Are there any places where it's at low at a relatively small area? And this is our relative minimum right here. So we're going to round that off to the nearest tenth. So that's a negative 0.2 comma 0.9. So that's our relative min. I'll go relative min for that. Handwriting's terrible. The next one we want is relative maximums. Are there any places where we hit a relatively high point on our graph? And that is this point here. That's our relative maximum, and round that off to the nearest 10. So that's 0.5 and 1.5. So at 0.5, 1.5, we hit our relative max. Absolute minimums, because this graph goes down in this direction forever, and because it is a fourth degree, it has to maintain that U shape. It can't ever go back up, and it's going to go down forever. So this one is there's no or none, no absolute minimums, but there is an absolute maximum, and that's what this point is. That's our absolute max. That is the highest point in the graph, and we're going to round it to negative 1.4, and the ordered pair is 4.1. Okay, so that is our number 10.